guys, today I am in a yacht. Like I'm seriously in a yacht. Look at that. I made it. Wait, look, I'm just in my room right now. And then there's so much other stuff. Like, I go here. This is the driving, not working place. See, there's a fridge. And here it's the shore. And then you can go up here where there is everything. Look at that. Whee! It's so fun. It's so shaky up here. And it's so fun. Okay, gotta go back to my room. Bye. Subscribe.